Hi everyone, it's Atiti and Kalpita with Tao and Tantra, and we wanted to send a quick message out to everyone about the events, the groups, the sessions that we have coming up this summer.
So we're gonna be in July and August in Osho Afroz Meditation Center, which is in Eresos, Lesvos Island in Greece. And we're gonna be offering, as I did say, different events and workshops. The main workshop that we want to talk to you about today is the 18th to 22nd of August, and is on this path of sacred sexuality.
So on the path of sacred sexuality is our foundational workshop of the 4 that we've created. This is where we talk about the fundamental, the essence, the important aspects of it's where we introduce these things and then we expand into them in the other workshops that we do. But this is for everyone because we go into some important concepts of feminine masculine versus male female. We go into understanding sexual energy as vitality. We go into understanding what the benefits of meditation are and getting some experience with that, with sitting meditation, with active meditation, and many other things.
We're gonna be welcome you to a very safe environment. We all create together. Plus, we are in the community of Osho Afroz, which already is creating a very beautiful container for our meditation, our expansion, our joyful being. So we're looking forward to see you there. Everyone is welcome. Either you have been already on the path or you're new in the path, and either you're single or a couple. We are very, very happy to meet you.
So we look forward to seeing you. And if you want to contact us, find us on Facebook, on our website, or our Instagram page, or send us an email at info@taoandtantra.com.
Looking forward to meet you all.